Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss about merge conflict. As you know that with the Git we have multiple branches. Now if you have made changes into the same file from the multiple branches, and when you are going to merge these branches, you may get this merge conflict error. Now when you will get this error, you have to solve this manually. So we are going to simulate same environment. We are going to create one file from the master branch, and then we are going to edit this file from the multiple branches, and then we are going to merge these branches. So we will get this error. In the first phase, we are going to get this error. We are going to create this situation. So we will get this error, and then we are going to solve this error as well, because we have to solve merge conflict manually. So let's start this and let's understand this merge conflict practically. Now here I am in the one folder git test. I'm going to create one git repo. So I'm going to create one folder mkdir and my code. Going inside this, now this is not git repo. So I'm going to convert this into the git repo using the git init command. Okay. Now I want to create a single file that we are going to edit from the multiple branches. Okay. So I'm going to use echo command, and here I'm going to say that this is change from master, and here I'm giving name file1. Then I will get this. Yes, I got this file1. Now I'm going to add this git add file1 and git commit dash m, okay, master commit. Done. And if you give this command git log, you will get this commit, and this is a master commit. Now I'm going to create two branches, okay, using the git branch command. So git branch b1 and git branch b2. Now I'm going to make changes into the same file using the multiple branches. Okay, so I'm going to branch b1 first, git switch. You can also use git checkout command, git switch b1. Now here I'm going to change this file. Here I have this file1. Okay, so I'm using echo command, echo change from branch b1. Okay. And now here I am going to use double greater than sign because I want to add this line. It will be added into the second line of the file. Okay, so I am going to explain you as well. See file1. Now look at this. Okay, if I am giving command cat file1, okay, the first line is this is change from master. It is always first line. Now second line is change from branch b1. This is the second line. Okay, keep this in mind. Now I'm going to add this file, git add file1 and git commit dash m commit from branch b1. Okay, done. And here I have another commit. So I have one commit from master, another commit from b1. Because I am b1, master will be visible. Now going to branch b2. Okay, git switch b2. Now what I am doing, see, I am going to use the same command, okay, and going to edit the file, change from branch b2, right, b2, and going to add this into the file1. Now what happened, it is going to add another line, but because it is from b1, it is going to add this into the line 2 only. So see cat file1, look at this. This is a master change, and b1 change is also on the second line, and b2 changes is also on the second line. Okay, why? Because we have multiple branches. We have added one line from the b1, again it is on the second, and another from b2, again it is on the second. So there is a chance that conflict can happen. Okay, but we'll verify this. Let me add this. So git add file1 git commit dash m commit from branch b2 done, and git log done, and let's say that clear. Now what I am doing, okay, now what I am doing, I'm going to the master branch, okay, so I'm going to git switch master. Yes, I am in the master branch. Look at the file, okay, I'm going to give the command create file1. Here we have only one line. Now I'm going to merge branch b1 with master branch, okay, so I'm going to say git merge b1. Simple process, it is a fast forward merge. We already discussed about this in a previous video, and when we will merge this, we have no changes into the first line, we have only changes into the second line of the file from the branch b1. So let's understand what is happening. See, updating this fast forward, even it is the same file, there is a no merge conflict or nothing. Why? Because Git understand the changes and it is very easy for them, for Git to merge this, okay. So now if you give the command git log, if you give the command cat file1, okay, see this is a change from master, change from the b1, very easy for Git, and merge was successful. But now when I will merge branch b2 with master, Git will be confused. Why? Because in the branch b2 we have also made changes into the same line, change from the branch b2, and now because Git is confused, there is a changes in only one file, and even in the same line, okay, conflict will happen. So let's understand this. Right now I am in the master branch. We already merged b1 with the master. Now here I am going to merge.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.